Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
Don't pay attention to Riley in the background. That's the name of the duck. We named it Riley. How y'all been, lifers? If you know my niece, you'll understand that. It never shuts up. That's 24/7. If y'all watched any of the shorts, y'all know I've been getting a few butt nuggets here and there. I need some laying boxes. I'm finna do some no measure, cut laying boxes and put them in the little Cox dollhouse to get us through till it cools off and I can get a big hen house built. Because I've only got 6 that I think are laying right now. 2 will be enough. But eventually, you know, by like November, I'm expecting all 11 of them to be laying. I need a little bit bigger space for them. But I'm gonna bring y'all along while I work. And we'll see you back here in a few minutes. I'm having to gather up tools as I go. Alright, let's pray I don't cut no fingers off. I can't afford that today. This is not the best skill saw in the world. If anybody was looking for a Christmas present for old Big John, it might be a skill saw. I would normally do this with a jigsaw or a sawzall, but I don't have neither one of those today. So we're gonna do it with a rattly little skill saw we got. Cover your ears. I still missed a little bit on that. Let me redo that again. Well, I'll be back. I'm gonna have to go get a clamp. It's not pretty, but it's done. I'm gonna get the other one. I won't bring y'all on for that murder task. I'm probably gonna find something to clean them up right there. It's not gonna be that. Alright, I'll bring y'all back along back when we get a little further along. Alright, they're not gonna be pretty, but they're together. All I could go is put a couple screws in there and get some hay. I'm gonna have to make my own hay because I can't afford hay. Hay's too high. I'm not gonna show y'all that. I'm not gonna show you mounting them, but I'll show you after they're mounted, if I can. If that Riley will shut up. Y'all tell Riley, shut up, Riley. Shut up, Riley. We don't want to hear it. Alright, we can go in there and put it in.
Lived on her daddy's farm
Right,
that passed away and shit.
right.
So the camel would go up to her brother's house and hang out all day.
What's up, lifers? I hope y'all like what I showed y'all. I got the nesting boxes in the little type. I'm gonna go show y'all a picture of that. Y'all see that before this. And what we finna be doing, Lou? We gone.
See ya.